Hi guys, here we've got iPhone and let me show you how to add astronomy lock screen on this device. So at first you need to wake your lock screen up and then hold it for a sec. Here you will be in lock screen panel. To add a new one, just tap on plus. Then select astronomy and pick one from 5 options here, and these are solar system, moon detail, moon, Earth detail, or Earth in general. So let me choose, for example, moon, and then you can customize the rest of your lock screen. So let's start with the hour. You can change the font and also colors, and then just tap in the middle of the screen to go back. Now you can also add some widgets if you wish. Pick those data that you wish to have displayed on your lock screen. And also, if you tap on the date, you can pick the different layouts. So you can pick events from calendar, hour, weather conditions, and so on. Here, you can choose whatever you wish to see on your lock display. And let's go back. Now just tap on Add. And here, you can set a wallpaper pair, or you can customize your home screen also. But let me choose to have it on both lock and home screens. Just tap on it and that's it. From now on, this is your lock screen. And obviously you can customize it as only you wish. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.